Hey guys, this is Krishna. Thank you for joining me in this new video. What I have over here is a checklist that I've been able to provide for you, which is a cybersecurity toolkit. And it's a way for you to secure your online properties and digital assets, right? So if I go down here, what you're gonna see, first of all, are gonna be quick wins. This over here are going to be items that you can complete very quickly and that gives you the biggest bang, right, for your time. So those are the quick wins. If there is maybe a couple things that you can do now after watching this video, this is what I would recommend, right? After that, what we have we're gonna have different categories of digital assets, right? That we're gonna have over here. So we're gonna have password security, email and communication security, web browsing safety, account and access management, data protection, and social media online presence. And for each category, we're gonna have different items that you can go through and actually implement, right? When you implement one of those items, what you can do is you can just click on it and it's going to be checked, right? The only thing is this is not saved. So if you refresh your browser or you close this window, the work that you will have done over here is not going to be saved. But I have something I'm going to discuss for you there, and show you what you can do instead. So as you go through the list, just check the different items. If there is one item that maybe is not, you thought it was completed but is not completed, or you checked by mistake, you can just check on it again and it's going to be unchecked, right? So I think it's pretty intuitive to use. So those are the different things that you just need to go through and complete to improve your security stance for your digital property, digital assets online. Okay. So if we scroll down a little bit here, so this is what I was referencing. So because this page doesn't save your progress, what you can do instead is actually download the PDF that I have provided here. So you just click on this, enter your email, and the PDF is going to be sent to your email, to your address, right? The other thing, if you want us to review your digital assets, right, you can also schedule a free security assessment. So you just go over here, click on this. It's going to bring you to a form. You just complete, answer some of the questions on the form, which are very easy. Seems like I'm having an issue here with my internet, but yeah, you just complete the some of the questions here on the form, and we'll be able to get back to you and get working on that. So this is what I wanted to show you, cybersecurity toolkit for you. I hope it's gonna help you, and I'm gonna talk to you in another video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share with some friends. If you're a small business owner looking for peace of mind, head over to vanguardbear.com for a free website security audit and learn more about our services. And I will catch you in the next video.